Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Today I'm going to make a cheese omelette. It's actually spicy cheese omelette. You can say Indian style spicy cheese omelette. So I take some cheese here, grated cheese, some coriander leaf, onion, and 3 eggs. I'll cut this first. Also I'll get some green chili. I'll cut this. It's good. So I don't need all of them. I'll use whatever I need. I cut, so whatever I need I'll use. Let's see the onion. That should be enough. Let me make small pieces. Okay, I cut this. Whatever I need, I will use. Okay, that's the green chili I'll use for the spicy omelette. So, cut these 3 small pieces. This is my country people. They do omelette like this, spicy. I think that's enough. I don't need this too, so those we don't need. Now we'll break the eggs. We break the eggs. I took 3 eggs. Let's put some salt. That should be enough. Mixed very nicely. Okay, it's mixed. Now I'll put some all of those green chili, onion. We need all of them. Okay, onion and coriander leaf. So I put everything here. So now I'm gonna mix them well, very well. So let me put everything. Those leaves, it's gonna be good. It will be good. Okay, now we mixed everything very nicely. So now we'll cook. Let's go. We fire it up. So now we'll put some oil in the pan. Okay, that should be enough. Oh, oil is already hot. So we put the eggs now. Okay, let's put the eggs. Yes, oil is hot. Okay. Now we cook them. We cook them very well. The heat is low medium, not that much, otherwise the bottom will get burned. So make sure bottom is not going to burn. So it cooked, they're almost done nicely. Okay, looks like the omelette, top of the omelette is cooked. So now maybe we'll put the cheese. Okay, now we'll put the cheese on the top. Nicely. Okay, it will be nice. Looks nice. Yes, it's nicely cooked. Okay, it's cooked, so now you're going to put in the plate. Yeah, we'll pour it in the plate. So one side. Now we hold this and the other side. It's nicely done. See how nice it is? I'll show you a little. See how nice it is? It's done, nicely done. Let me put a little garnish here. Okay, perfect. So make like this spicy cheese omelette and enjoy it. And please subscribe my channel and let me cut it and I'll show you how it is. Let me cut this side. See how cheesy it is? Nice and cheesy. Wow, very nice. So make like this, subscribe my channel, share my channel, and that's it today. I'll come back with another episode. So thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.